Hello gems and welcome back to my channel. Just here with a quick video because I know we're still all stuck in quarantine and we still have to rely on home remedies to get our waxing done. So this is a quick video on how to do a sugar wax at home. These are the things you'll need. So you'll need a quarter cup of water, quarter cup of lemon juice, and a cup of sugar, or 2 cups of sugar. You also need a mason jar and some old t-shirt cut up into strips. Trust me, works better if you use an ex-boyfriend's t-shirt. Pro tip. And get your sugar, pour it into the pot. Next, you're gonna come with your lemon juice and your water. And you want to give it a little stir just until all the sugar is broken up. You're gonna let this simmer on the stove until for on low to medium heat until it's just about bubbles up, starts to simmer. It's gonna start to change color, and this is what you want. But this is the color we're actually going for right here. So once it becomes this color and it's bubbled up like this, the longer you leave it on, the darker it will get. So this is the perfect color. So you're gonna want to make sure you prepare your mason jar beforehand. And what I did is just took a bowl with some hot water and I placed the mason jar inside of the bowl with the hot water just to temper the mason jar to make sure it doesn't crack. Okay, so yes, there you have it. You pour it into your mason jar and set this aside and let it cool. Again, you want to be very, very careful during this part of the procedure because it is still very hot and you don't want to place this directly onto your skin. You want to let it sit and cool for a bit. So once it's cooled, all you need to do is take some onto a knife. I usually use a wooden popsicle stick, but a knife works just as good. And you're gonna just smear it onto your skin like that, smooth it on. Next, you're gonna want to grab your old t-shirt strip, just place it there and make sure it's pressed in nice and tight. Give it some extra push to make sure that it's sticking to all the hairs. And you want to make sure you're pulling away from the hair, or like the direction that the hair is not going, if that makes sense. And then this is a bonus pro tip for all the black girls out there, or for anybody. I don't discriminate, for everybody. But using aloe vera after you do your sugar wax on your parts makes for, like, it helps to heal the area, but also makes for nice, smooth, supple skin. So, pro tip. You're welcome. And there you have it. That's it. Thank you so much for watching. That's it.